everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or create an account for Spotify. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to create a new Spotify account, first, make sure that you've downloaded Spotify app on your mobile devices, since we're doing this on our mobile device in today's video. Once you have the application downloaded, tap it open and you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. To create a new account, tap on Sign Up Free button in green from the main interface. You need to provide with an email address into the text box appearing on the next page. Remember to enter the email address that you have an access to, since you'll need to confirm this email later. Once you type in an email address that you have an access to, tap the next button. On the next page, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to enter the password that is at least 8 characters long and tap the next button. Enter your date of birth information on the next page and tap next. Select your gender and tap next. Enter your name into the text box that asks you what your name is. Remember that this name will appear on your Spotify profile. Once you are done, agree to the terms and service of Spotify by checking on the circle displayed right beneath. Tap the Create Account button at the bottom and on the next page, choose 3 or more artists that you'd like to hear from. Once you're done picking your artists, you'll be able to sign up and create a new account for Spotify. This is the main homepage for Spotify. With the Spotify application, you can access all the playlists, discover new music, and share tunes with your friends. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.